Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that every gamer and streamer should consider adding to their setup, the Logitech Blue Yeti Game Streaming Kit. We found this fantastic kit online and added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what exactly this kit includes. At its core, the Blue Yeti Game Streaming Kit features the iconic Blue Yeti USB Gaming Microphone, which has been a game-changer for countless gamers, podcasters, and content creators over the years. This microphone is renowned for its superior sound quality and versatility, making it perfect for both gaming and streaming sessions. One of the standout features of the Blue Yeti microphone is its multiple pickup patterns. You can easily switch between cardioid, omnidirectional, and bidirectional modes, allowing you to choose the best setting for your specific needs. Whether you're streaming solo, hosting interviews, or capturing ambient sounds, this mic has got you covered. But that's not all. This kit also includes exclusive Streamlabs themes, which allow you to customize your game stream with a unique look and feel. With the included unlock code, you'll gain access to 3 exclusive downloadable themes that can help elevate your channel's branding and aesthetic. It's a fantastic way to stand out in the crowded world of streaming. Now, let's talk about the BlueVO.ce effects. This feature enhances your sound quality with fun vocal effects, HD samples, and studio tools like equalization, limiter, and noise removal, all powered by NVIDIA Broadcast. This means you can optimize your voice for clarity and presence, making your streams sound more professional and engaging. The kit also comes with the C922X Pro Stream webcam, which is specifically designed for professional quality video streaming. With the ability to stream and record in vibrant, true-to-life HD 1080p at 30 frames per second or 720p at 60 frames per second, you're sure to impress your audience with stunning visuals. The webcam is compatible with a wide range of systems, including Windows, macOS, and even gaming consoles like Xbox One. One of the key highlights of the C922X webcam is its full HD glass lens and premium autofocus. This feature ensures razor-sharp, clear video quality, while the dual built-in microphones capture rich stereo audio, so your viewers can hear you loud and clear. This makes it an ideal choice for gaming, live streaming, or even hosting virtual meetings. So, who is this kit suitable for? The Logitech Blue Yeti Game Streaming Kit is perfect for gamers, streamers, and podcasters who want to take their content to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your existing setup, this kit provides everything you need for high-quality audio and video. Practical use cases for this kit are numerous. Imagine streaming your favorite games on platforms like Twitch or YouTube, engaging with your audience while sounding like a pro. Or perhaps you're a podcaster looking to record interviews or discussions with crystal-clear audio. The versatility of the Yeti microphone combined with the high-quality video from the C922X webcam makes this kit suitable for a variety of content creation scenarios. In conclusion, the Logitech Blue Yeti Game Streaming Kit is a powerful and versatile choice for anyone serious about gaming, streaming, or podcasting. With its exceptional sound quality, customizable streaming themes, and high-definition video capabilities, it's an all-in-one solution designed to enhance your content creation experience. Thanks for watching. If this video